Now let's talk about how to answer yes or no questions in French. In French, saying yes or no is very simple. You use the word oui for yes and non for no. For example, when someone asks, "Are you a student?" you can simply answer yes, or in French, oui. When someone asks, "Are you a teacher?" and the real answer is no, you say non. But here's something new. French also has a special word for yes when you want to contradict a negative question. That word is si. You use si to say yes I am or yes I do when the question is negative. For example, if someone says, "Aren't you a teacher?" you don't use we, you say si. That means yes I am. So remember this rule. We equals yes, non equals no. Si equals yes, but only to correct or contradict a negative question. In English, we only have yes and no, but in French, there's a third way to say yes, si, to make your answer stronger or to correct someone. Now let's practice how to pronounce yes, no, and si. Let's use them in short, simple sentences. Repeat each one after me. Exemple 1. Tu es étudiant? Answer, oui. Yes. Say, oui. 2. Tu n'es pas professeur? Answer, si. Yes, I am. Say, si. Troisième. Tu aimes la musique? Answer, oui. Yes. Say, oui. Quatrième. Tu n'aimes pas le café? Answer, si. Yes, I do. Say, si. 5. Tu es fatigué? Answer, non. No. Say, nothing.